Hey guys, this is Tofik and you are watching RS Platform. Today I'm going to show you how you can active your Windows 7 for permanently for free, means zero of your cost. So first of all, you need an application named Windows Loader. You can download it easily from Google. So I am opening this application. Give the permission. Through this application, you can just easily active your Windows for free. Look here, it's the pop-up window has been opened, so press install here. After this process, your Windows operating system will recommend a restart option, so you have to restart to process your Windows activation key to your Windows. So press the restart. I already have done it, so I'm not going to restart it. So here is the easy solution to active your Windows 7 for free. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, then press the like button. If you don't enjoy, then press a dislike button. And if you have any kind of question, then comment below. I will reply you within a few moments.